Well, welcome back with a 4.0 magnitude earthquake that hit 122 kilometers west of Kashgar, China. Happened at 6:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time at a depth of 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles. So we got Aleko, Kaptest, well, Kapkasta, um, Kizildzar, and Oital. There's also Kakmekde and Irkeshtam. Now this area is probably largely uninhabited, mostly because the inhabitants are probably locked up in concentration camps. Good going, China. So with that, let's zoom into the epicenter. Got Highway S309 popping up, and there's um, your Kansu River. But yeah, just continue to zoom in. And yeah. That does seem to be it for right now. So stay safe out there. See y'all in the next video. Bye.